In this video, I'll show you how to remove the connectors of the ECM, the car computer. So in case you don't know how to do, I'll show you this model over here and also this one over there. There's two different types. So let's get started with this one first. You see there's a small tab that you need to push and pull. You see I pushed on that tab and pulled this lever. Okay, pull this lever completely. You can even pull sideways on the part that came out, and at this point it should come out. Wiggle it a bit. If nothing comes out, push more on the lever, and here we go. This is how we remove this type of plug. On this side, same thing. It's a bit hard with one hand. Here we go, very easy to do. Now let's go and check the other type of plugs that your car may have. So the first step is to pull up these tabs that are sticking out. Okay, so simply pull up and you're gonna see this popping on the side. Take a screwdriver and try to pop it even more. Okay, like this. You see, I pull it more. It may be a bit hard to do in case it's stuck, and then you can simply lift the connector, and as you see, I have removed the first one. Same thing on the other side. Pop this all the way and pull this part over here. Sorry that I don't have more vocabulary, it's hard to describe this part. All right. And then simply pull. If it's not coming out, it simply means that you need to pull this part more towards the side. Here we go. Just like that, we have removed the connectors. And yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, but also comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.